Today we are looking at an onion peel under a microscope. I grabbed my manicure set because it had the smallest pair of scissors and tweezers. Then using a kitchen knife, I sliced the onion into 2 uneven halves, grabbed a peel and using the tweezers I was able to get the clear outer covering. I then sliced it into a not-so-even rectangular pattern while holding it with my tweezers. It was a messy affair fighting off tears and still staying strong to see what I was doing. I then grabbed my not-so-clean glass slide from the previous project and carefully spread the onion piece over the slide and added water, then a cover slide. The microscope was patiently awaiting to magnify my hard work. I started with the low-power 40x zoom, then 100x, then 400x. We are still not able to use the 1000x zoom because the Alibaba supplier had the ship stuck in the Strait of Hormuz. However, look at the stunning result. Nature stacks cells in harmony side by side. I even went ahead to get a slice of the red portion and the cells were looking amazingly satisfied. What should we view next?